This is the R62A 4 train, making it a rarity in coming for the weekend service. This R62A 4 train rarely is about to make a departure 438th Street to relay back to 125th Street for the lower level to start for New Lights Avenue service. This is the R62A 4 train, rarely running on the 4 line. This R62A 4 train is headed to 3rd Avenue, 168th Street on the 6th line track to reverse back for the lower level, 125th Street, to go to New Lights Avenue. This is the train that makes a rarity stop and makes a rarity reroute with the 4.